Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Union Finance Minister meets State Finance Ministers at Delhi. Parsekar asks for special package of 1,000 crores and relaxation on export duty for ore. Sunburn and Supersonic are through. Court denies to put stay on both EDMs. Supersonic says women's safety a prime prerogative. Politics over garbage in CCP. Commissioner off on leave without handing over truck keys. Mayor charges opposition trying to trap him. And Churchill Alama threatens not to give back Federation Cup after his team discarded from tournament. Fed Cup organizer says no problem, we have made another one. Now the news in detail. Goa government is seeking a package of 1,000 crores from the centre to compensate lost mining revenue. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said state revenue has gone down drastically post-mining ban and hence government has appealed for a special package in the forthcoming union budget. Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley met finance ministers of all states on Friday on the proposed GST. CM has also proposed withdrawal of export duty on iron ore up to 58 grade.
Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley held a meeting with the Finance Minister of all states to discuss the rollout of goods and service tax. Post-meeting, Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar met the Union Finance Minister to push in budget proposals for Goa.
एकूण हे सगळे मायनिंग प्रकरणांत स्टॉपेज ऑफ मायनिंग जाले आणि जेतून दर वर्सा आमकां साधारण 1400 कोटी रुपया हे पडटा नुकसान बसता त्यामुळे अंदू आमकां बजेटांत धरची रक्कम आमचे खातीर प्रोविजन करचे कॉम्पेन्सेट करपाक
वन टाइम कॉम्पेन्सेशन
हय
ओके आणि ह्या
मागणी केल्या 1000 मागणी केल्या 1000 कोटी.
CM has also asked for exclusion of export duty on ore up to 58 grade.
त्याची झाली
ती हय उलोवणी जाली. ही वॉज पॉझिटिव्ह अबाउट इट. हांवें म्हटलं सगळ्यांचेर ना केली तरी किमान हे पळय ग्रेड पळय
हां
आणि 58% सकयली तरी टोटल वचची वयर मागीर थोडी कायद्यार जाता. मोठ्या प्रमाणार ह्यो सरकारच्यो हे ज्यो आसले पळय केंद्र सरकारच्यो स्किमी त्यो ते कट मारतात. आमकां ते एन्युअल ब्लॉक ग्रँट करून दिवची हे एक आमी मागला.
हां
तुमच्या स्किमीतसून दिवं नाका आमच्या गरजे प्रमाणे आमी करता. आमचो जो स्टेट शेअर ऑफ रिसोर्सीस आसा त्या शेअराचेर आमकां एन्युअल ब्लॉक ग्रँट दिवची जी बजेटरी प्रोविजन आमची त्यांच्या बजेटांत आमकां दिसची आमच्या गोंया खातीर ही अमकी मागीर आमी तेचो वापर जावो तसो करतात.
Modi government is planning to bring uniformity in the state and the interstate taxes. Implementation of goods and service tax, the biggest tax reform, is on government's cards. Union government is planning to get the GST bill through in the upcoming budget session. Union Minister Arun Jaitley, after his meet with the state finance minister, said state in favors of GST rollout. Suggestions received from states demand relaxation in FRBM norms. Suggestions to be considered while formulating policy. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
High Court has denied to stay Sunburn and Supersonic. Congress spokesperson Sunil Kautankar had filed a petition against music festivals. The High Court has adjourned the hearing for 12 January. Meanwhile, Supersonic organizers have roped in a security consultants from South Africa. No compromise with safety of women. Festival curator Nikhil Chinnappa said this in a presser.
Vacation bench of the High Court on Friday heard a petition filed by Congress spokesperson Sunil Kautankar against electronic dance music festivals Sunburn and Supersonic. Court rejected the plea of the petitioners seeking urgent interim stay on both the music festivals.
Last year सुद्धा त्यांनी टॅक्स फारीक करून ना कितलोसो पोलिसाचे सेक्युरिटीचे पैसे फारीक करून ना सो व्हाय गव्हर्नमेंट इज ट्रस्टिंग देम आणि कोण आपल्याला गव्हर्नमेंट इतल्यान ब्लॅकलिस्ट करतले. दिस पीपल आर डिफॉल्टिंग द स्टेट एव्हरी इयर अँड गव्हर्नमेंट इज मेकिंग देम more comfortable environment to do it.
Supersonic also begins from Saturday. Curator Nikhil Chinnappa has said there will be extra thrust on women's safety.
Safety for dance music fans that come to Goa, especially women. We've invited a security consultant from South Africa, who's Mr. Zane Wilmans. He's come in with his own team, and he's going to be working closely with us and the local administration to make sure that we have very strong protocols in place to make. If you're here for the music, we're going to welcome you with open arms. If you're here for anything else but the music, you will get into trouble very quickly. We will not tolerate an excuse of, I was only joking, because we know a lot of guys can tend to say, oh, it was only a joke, I was only joking. There is zero tolerance to any kind of misbehavior.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.